Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to do a recap of one of the best AirPods Pro 2nd generation and AirPod Max that I did find from DhGate. The first one of these AirPod Pros that I did get, the unboxing experience was wonderful. The paperwork and everything like the accessories and the charging cable came with the packaging, which is an additional plus when trying to buy these AirPods that are one-to-one with the originals as well. So these AirPods, in terms of the design, it is one-to-one with the original in terms of weight and feel. When trying to pair these, they're very easy to pair. You just hold down the back button to pair them and you'll see the battery percentage for the case and for the AirPods. Even in the settings page, you see every feature like ANC and all that, and I'm telling you, transparency and ANC do work on these, but spatial audio does not work, so that's just a bummer. But the sound quality on these are 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 in my honest opinion. So now heading over to the AirPod Maxes. Even the unboxing experience on these were amazing. Even at the back, it does give you more information about the AirPod Max coming with USB-C. You have more text at the top in the color of the AirPod Max. In the front, you have the beautiful AirPod Max in sky blue. When you do check out the accessories, you can see that it does come with the protective ear cups, and then over to the inside of the AirPod box, you do get paperwork and the charger of the AirPod Maxes, which is amazing for the experience for reselling or just for a gift for any family member as well. And I say that these actually give the impression or the experience that you get when buying real AirPod Maxes from Apple themselves. Even the pairing process was actually very easy. All I had to do was just take it out the protective or the smart case, and then on my phone it pops up with the pairing page. I just press connect and then hold down the button to pair them, and the AirPod Max, they pair seamlessly to your phone. Another great thing about this is that it does show the warranty page on your iPhone, and even on Apple's website it does show that it comes with Apple Care or warranty, or shows you like the purchase date and everything, which is a cool feature in of itself that you don't really get from AirPod Maxes from DhGate. And the features like ANC and transparency, they do work very well, but spatial audio, again, it doesn't work, as those need a special chip that Apple only has. Even like upping the volume or taking it down, you use the crown and you could double tap to go to the next song and triple tap to go back to the previous song, and those work flawlessly as well. I give it a solid 7.5 out of 10. With all that being said, hope you guys did like the video. Drop a like down below, subscribe, and link will be down below in the description. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.